Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Grammar Lesson.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Mia.
Today, you will learn possessive pronouns in just 3 simple ideas.
3 ideas. That's it. And after this, you will never write hers again.
One time I wrote, "This pen is mine's." My teacher circled it and wrote, "That word doesn't exist."
Mine's really does sound strange once you say it out loud.
It happens to everyone. But today, we fix it right now.
We will give you one simple system. Use it anywhere. In writing, in speaking, in a friendly argument about whose jacket is whose.
One system, so many places. Ready?
Here is the big picture. A possessive pronoun shows ownership, and it stands completely alone without a noun after it.
That's it. One clear job. Simple, right?
Very simple and very useful.
Remember possessive adjectives from our last episode, like my book? Possessive pronouns replace the whole phrase, noun and all.
My book becomes mine. No noun needed anymore.
Without possessive pronouns, our sentences would sound repetitive and strange.
This is my bag. Is that your bag? Sounds a little robotic.
This is my bag. Is that yours? Sounds much more natural.
Let's practice together. Say it with me. This book is...
Now, finish the sentence with the possessive pronoun.
Good job! You just used your first possessive pronoun.
Before step 2, one small tip. Possessive pronouns never come before a noun. They stand completely alone.
This is mine, not this is my book. The noun disappears completely.
Good connection. Now let's continue.
Step 2. The list of possessive pronouns.
English has a short, simple list of possessive pronouns. Let's go through them one by one.
Mine, for yourself.
Yours, for the person or people you are speaking to.
His, for something belonging to one male person. Yes, this one stays the same as the adjective.
Hers, for something belonging to one female person.
Its, for one thing or animal, though this one is rarely used alone in modern English.
Ours, for something belonging to yourself and others together.
Theirs, for something belonging to more than one person or thing.
7 small words. Each one connects closely to our possessive adjectives.
The blue jacket is mine. The red one is yours. The green one is his.
The yellow one is hers. Our jackets are warm. Theirs are even warmer.
One quick list, 7 words, ready to use immediately.
Step 4. Possessive pronouns never use an apostrophe.
This is such an important rule and a very common mistake for learners.
Remember my story from the beginning? This pen is mine's? That word simply doesn't exist in English.
Hers, yours, theirs, none of these are correct, even though they might feel logical.
The correct forms are hers, yours, and theirs. No apostrophe ever.
This pen is mine. That bag is hers. Those shoes are theirs.
Clean, simple words with absolutely no apostrophe at all.
This is one of the biggest differences between possessive nouns, like Tom's, and possessive pronouns, like his.
Possessive nouns use an apostrophe. Possessive pronouns never do.
What was your biggest mistake with this rule, Jack?
Exactly my story from earlier. Mine's instead of mine.
I used to write hers all the time before I learned this rule properly.
We all make these mistakes at first. It's part of learning. But now we notice them quickly and fix them fast.
Step 5. Possessive pronouns standing alone at the end of a sentence.
Possessive pronouns often appear comfortably at the very end of a sentence.
Is this bag yours? That car is ours. The mistake was mine.
I found a phone. Is it yours?
This seat is mine. That one over there is his.
Notice how naturally and smoothly these words complete a sentence.
Step 6. Possessive pronouns replacing a full noun phrase.
Let's practice transforming full noun phrases into possessive pronouns.
This is my car becomes this car is mine.
That is your book becomes that book is yours.
These are her shoes becomes these shoes are hers.
Those are their bags becomes those bags are theirs.
See the pattern? The possessive adjective plus the noun transforms into just the possessive pronoun alone.
This transformation happens naturally once you've said the noun once and don't need to repeat it.
Step 7. Comparing two things using possessive pronouns.
Possessive pronouns are extremely useful when comparing things that belong to different people.
My phone is newer than yours. We avoid saying your phone a second time.
Her house is bigger than ours. We avoid repeating house unnecessarily.
This makes comparisons feel much smoother and much more natural.
My grades are good, but hers are even better.
Our team played well, but theirs played brilliantly tonight.
One small pronoun avoiding a lot of repetition every single time.
Step 8. Possessive pronouns inside questions.
Possessive pronouns also appear naturally inside questions about ownership.
Whose jacket is this? Is it yours? Whose keys are these? Are they his?
We often pair possessive pronouns with the question word whose.
Whose turn is it? Is it mine or is it yours?
This umbrella looks familiar. Is it hers by any chance?
These small conversations happen constantly in everyday casual English.
Step 9. Common mistakes with possessive pronouns.
Let's talk about a few classic mistakes learners make.
Mistake 1. Adding an apostrophe. Hers, yours, theirs, all incorrect.
Mistake 2. Adding a noun after the possessive pronoun. This is my book, instead of just this is mine or this is my book.
Mistake 3. Confusing it's, the possessive adjective, with it's, the contraction. A mistake that follows us into this topic too.
What was your biggest struggle, Jack?
Definitely the apostrophe mistake. My's felt logical to me at the time.
I used to add extra nouns after possessive pronouns. This book is my book, which sounds so strange now.
We all make these mistakes at first. It's part of learning.
But now we notice them quickly and fix them fast.
Step 10. Quick practice with real examples.
Let's try a simple game. I will describe an owner and an object. You give me the correct possessive pronoun.
Ready? The blue bag belongs to me.
The blue bag is mine.
The red car belongs to you.
The red car is yours.
The small house belongs to them.
The small house is theirs.
The old book belongs to her.
The old book is hers.
Great job! You're getting faster already.
Try this game yourself with objects and people around you right now.
This is the best practice. Thinking quickly, again and again.
Your brain remembers better when you practice actively, not only read.
Quick reminder before we continue. Our main idea was possessive pronouns show ownership, stand alone without a noun, and never use an apostrophe.
Everything after that, comparisons, questions with whose, matching possessive adjectives, these are helpful details.
The basic idea is enough for almost every sentence.
Good. Now let's add one more bonus part.
Step 11. Possessive pronouns versus possessive adjectives. A final clear comparison.
Let's put these two topics side by side one final time for total clarity.
Possessive adjectives always come before a noun. This is my phone.
Possessive pronouns always stand alone without a noun. This phone is mine.
Possessive adjectives describe. Possessive pronouns replace completely.
My shoes are comfortable, but yours look even more comfortable.
My shoes, possessive adjective plus noun. Yours, possessive pronoun, standing alone.
Once you see this comparison clearly, both topics become so much easier together.
Step 12. Put it all together.
Now, let's build a few full sentences.
Listen to my example. I lost my umbrella yesterday, so my friend lent me hers. Mine was old anyway, but hers is bright yellow and much nicer than mine ever was.
Listen to my example. Our team won the game, but theirs played very well too. My coach said our effort was better than theirs, especially in the final minutes.
See, we used many possessive pronouns naturally in the same short story.
Nothing feels forced. Nothing feels confusing.
That is the perfect balance.
See? Easy. Simple rules, clear sentences.
You don't need perfect grammar all at once. You just need clear, simple practice.
And a little bit of patience helps too.
Step 13. Practice time.
Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions in your head or write them down.
Question 1. Change to a possessive pronoun. This is my pen.
Question 2. Change to a possessive pronoun. That is her umbrella.
Question 3. Fix the mistake. This bag is hers.
Question 4. Fix the mistake. The blue car is mine car.
Question 5. Fill in the blank. Whose turn is it? Is it blank, mine, or blank, yours?
Question 6. True or false? Possessive pronouns always need a noun right after them.
Now check your answers with a friend or write them in the comments below.
Say your sentences out loud, in front of a mirror, or while you make your coffee, or while you walk.
This is the best practice, speaking out loud again and again.
Your brain remembers better when you speak, not only think.
So don't be shy. Try it right now after this episode.
Let's review everything one more time very quickly.
Possessive pronouns show ownership and stand completely alone, without a noun.
Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. The full, complete list.
They never use an apostrophe.
Most possessive pronouns simply add an S to the matching possessive adjective.
Possessive adjectives describe a noun. Possessive pronouns replace it completely.
5 small rules, one simple system.
But remember, you only need the first rule. Possessive pronouns replace ownership and stand alone with no apostrophe.
The rest add slowly, over time, as you feel ready.
You don't need every detail today. Choose the rules you understand best.
Maybe you only remember 2 rules today. That is perfectly okay.
Next week, maybe you add one more rule. Slowly, you build full confidence.
Learning grammar is not a race, it's a walk, one small step at a time.
I love that idea.
If you are unsure, ask yourself, does this word follow a noun or does it stand completely alone?
If you are speaking casually, don't worry too much. Just try and keep going.
It depends on the moment. Feel the meaning and choose your word.
That is a very smart tip.
Before we finish, let's talk about this topic one more time.
Possessive pronouns are not scary ideas.
They are helpers.
Helpers that let you avoid repeating the same noun again and again.
And when you use them correctly, your writing looks polished and professional.
No more confusion between hers and hers.
Just clear, natural, confident English.
It all starts with one small, simple question. Does this word stand alone, or does it need a noun?
So remember, keep it simple.
Practice daily.
And smile.
A smile makes learning more fun, too.
Remember my story from the beginning? This pen is mine's. That word doesn't even exist in English.
I remember. It made me smile.
But now, if someone asks me about possessive pronouns, I don't freeze anymore.
Because now you have a system, a simple structure in your head.
Exactly. And now you have that system too.
Yes, all of our listeners do too.
So next time you write or speak, take a breath and think.
Then just ask yourself, is this word describing a noun or replacing it completely?
You will surprise yourself with how well you can do it.
I believe in you, our dear listeners.
We really do.
We mean it.
So, here's your challenge right now.
Pause this video
And say 3 sentences, one using mine, one using yours, and one other possessive pronoun of your choice.
Go on, try it now. We'll wait. Did you do it? Great job.
That's it. You just did the hardest part. Everything else gets easier from here.
Well, I think our time is almost finished for today.
Time goes fast when the topic is fun.
It really does. This was a great episode.
It was. Before we go, we have one more small favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Grammar Lesson.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
It really helps other learners find our channel.
And please share it with a friend who is also learning English.
We want to help as many people as we can.
And now for your homework and our question of the day.
Go to the comment section below.
Write 3 sentences using mine, yours, and one other possessive pronoun of your choice.
For example, this channel is ours. Your support means so much. Mine wouldn't be the same without all of you.
You can write anything you want.
We would love to read your comments and check your possessive pronouns.
It will be so much fun reading all your examples.
Thank you all so much for learning with us today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure as always.
Stay curious and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun grammar episode.
And remember, choosing the right possessive pronoun makes your English crystal clear.
Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Your system forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Mia. Bye, Mia, from me, Jack.
That was a funny way to end it. Bye, Jack.
Bye, everyone.